Hi everyone, this is BOISTEANU, and just now we're gonna install multifunctional cantilever bracket. So this bracket we're gonna use for unboxing videos. So basically the recordings will be overhead. So okay, let's see what needs to be done. So as you can see here we have a instructions. So the first step will be installing or fixing the eye-shaped clip on desktop. So this is what we're gonna do for the first step. Let's install the protection. We're gonna install the protection just now in order to not scratch the table. So step one, fix the eye-shaped clip on the desktop. So this is what we're doing just now. So this is okay. Perfect. So the first step is done. The second step, we need to install the bracket on the eye clip. Right, let's install the bracket. And the bracket, I think the bracket will be, okay, let's put like that. As you can see on TV as well, behind me you have more instructions. So we're gonna install the bracket. I believe should go like that. Cool, and the okay, cool. So we have the bracket here. That's brilliant. We're gonna put all the stuff here. This here. Okay, so the next step will be installing the step 3 will be attach the mini ball head and mobile phone clip. So I think we're talking about this one. Okay. So I think this will go, like that. Right. So we're gonna install it here. Okay. So this will be the next step. And yeah, the next step I think will be this one. So basically here will be our camera. Wow, that's incredible. As you can see, can be moved around. Yeah. And step 4, knob to adjust tightness. So as you can see, can be moved. So let's put this video again. So it can be moved this way. I'll put all the stuff. This stuff as well. So it can be moved this way. Can be moved this way. Up and down. Can be moved like that as well, as you can see. Can go here as well. That's incredible. I like that. Can go up and down, up and down. That's brilliant. And here as well, as you can see, goes in different ways. I think this can be moved as well around. Okay, so this I think will be like that. The easiest way. Yeah. Perfect. I think we're good to go, guys. We're good to go. That's incredible. And here will be my iPhone in order to record unboxing. Perfect. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment my videos. And God bless. Take care.